Alam mo Gabe, dito pa lang talo ka na doon sa argument mong call out. Ilang beses na naming ni-remind or kinall out in public kung okay na ba sa'yo yung flow na present namin plus yung rules, anyari sa call out. Wala. So tara, pag-usapan natin yung magiging debate sa Sabado. This is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
So apparently, ayaw nga mag-agree ni Gabe doon sa binigay naming maayos na rules and format ng debate. So, ang ine-expect namin, it's going to be just, bastusan sa Sabado. Walang pararakang pag-i-interrupt at kung ano-ano pang ad hominem. Nakakalungkot that sa kagustuhan naming maayos yung debate, nag-adjust pa kami kasi nga nagkamali ako doon sa format na nilagay ko. But still, to no avail, hindi ko rin alam kung bakit. So again, this goes to show na yung call out na pinagsasabi mo is going to be only effective if the individual agrees to the call out. Alam mo yung disappointing, gusto mong maging maayos yung format para sa mga viewers, para mas marami silang mapulot, para mas maayos yung information flow, pero yung isa naman gusto lang sigawan, gusto barahan, gusto asaran. Napaka-disappointing para sa viewers. Tapos, andyan pa yung pa-surprise topic na 3 to 4 subtopics daw na wala namang kaming alam. Tapos magkukunwari siya, ako nga hindi ko alam kung ano yung subtopics. Meron bang ganun, Gabe? Huwag mo naman kaming gawing bata dito. Hindi naman kami pinanganak kahapon. Those are going to be ambush topics which will left us clueless until such i-brought up mo na siya. And then, if hindi kami makasagot, of course, we are going to look like we are unprepared. Basang-basa. Basic. And by not agreeing doon sa rules and flow ng debate, of course, pwede mong idahilan na wala ka namang inaagrihan na rules or such rules para makontain yung pagsabat mo, yung pagiging bastos mo, yung pag-interrupt mo, at kung ano-ano pang kadog-showan yung gagawin mo sa Sabado. Yeah, that's how you do it. And to make matters worse, platform mo pa, moderator mo pa. So, ang kinakatakot lang namin, baka habang nagsasalita kami, bigla mo na lang kami i-mute. Again, wala na kaming say doon sa mangyayari dahil halos lahat kontrolado mo. We tried being civilized with you. We tried being cultured with you. But ikaw mismo, yung nagli-lead towards this path na kung saan hindi siya magbabago, come Saturday, you are just going to display your prowess kuno sa pakikipagdebate by, interrupting, just clashing with words. And at the end of the day, you will just claim that you've won by silencing us. If this is the value or legacy that you want to pass on to your followers, then we can't do anything about it. Your show, your rules, your platform. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.